Hello everybody. I just wanted to introduce you to my latest metal detecting addition to the arsenal. I got myself an electric bicycle. It's in pieces right now because it came in this box right here. It's a Ad Motor M360, which is a trike, and this will allow me to get into the woods and not have to worry about having a vehicle. The basket's going to go right there, that basket right there, and the motor's on the front wheel, which will make it a little bit difficult going up hills, but it's in pieces right now, and I'm going to be putting it together with a little bit of help from my friend Lacey. And I would film the process, but it's going to be awkward, so I'll give you shots as I progress. See you when it's done. Well everybody, I got it put together. It was a bear to put together. It's never like what the video shows you. And unfortunately I put the basket on backwards. I'll have to take that bag out and take the bolts out and turn that basket around to do that right. But it rides pretty good. It's got 7 gears plus a motor, so this is gonna assist me pretty well in going to the places I want to go to without having to take a car for my metal detecting. So just wanted to show you all this. I am definitely not a bicycle mechanic. I'm gonna have to take this to a professional and get them to adjust and tighten and do the things they need to do for it to be right, especially that steering column there. The handlebars and the column seems a little loose. I'll get them to tighten that, do that right. Anyway, there's my new toy, metal detecting green monster, or green giant maybe I should say. I'll have to think of a name for it. I'll see y'all out in the field with it. Happy hunting.